Hi there, and welcome back to HasWings Travel. If you've ever wondered how to make travelling with kids enjoyable rather than stressful, you're in the right place. Family trips are a fantastic way to bond and create memories, but they come with unique challenges. Today, I'll share practical tips to help you keep things fun and manageable, no matter where you're headed. Good trips. Start with good planning, especially when kids are involved. Choose family-friendly destinations. Beaches, parks, or places with interactive attractions are always a hit. Think about what will keep your kids entertained and engaged. Include your kids in the planning. Ask them what they'd like to do. Whether it's visiting a zoo or a theme park, giving them a say builds excitement. Plan breaks. Keep your schedule flexible. Kids need downtime to recharge, so don't pack too much into one day. By planning ahead, you set the stage for a smoother experience for everyone. Next, let's talk about packing. The right essentials can save you a lot of headaches. Snacks. Always pack a variety of snacks. Think healthy options like fruit, but don't forget a few special treats. A well-fed child is a happy child. Entertainment. Bring lightweight activities. Colouring books, a favourite toy, or a tablet with pre-downloaded games and movies. Comfort items. If your child has a favourite blanket or stuffed animal, bring it along to make them feel more at home. Finally, don't forget practical items like wet wipes, a change of clothes, and a small first aid kit. You'll thank yourself later. Travel day can be the most stressful part, but a few tricks can make it easier. First, get there early. Give yourself extra time, especially at airports. Rushing adds unnecessary stress. Keep kids moving. For road trips, plan stops at parks or rest areas to let them stretch their legs. On flights, encourage short walks up and down the aisle if it's safe. Use tech to your advantage. Let kids watch a favourite movie or play games during long waits. Travel is a great time to relax screen time rules. The key is to stay flexible. Travel rarely goes perfectly, so go with the flow. Travel isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the memories you create along the way. Make it a game. For younger kids, try a travel scavenger hunt. They can look for things like a red car, a plane in the sky, or a local animal. Capture the journey. Give older kids a small notebook to journal about their favourite moments, or let them take photos to make their own travel scrapbook. Try new experiences together. Whether it's trying a new food or exploring a unique attraction, these moments will stick with your kids for years to come. The best memories come from spending quality time together, so don't sweat the small stuff. Let's face it, things don't always go as planned, but when challenges come up, staying calm can make all the difference. Handle meltdowns with patience. If your child gets overwhelmed, take a break, offer some comfort, and try to redirect their attention. Be prepared for delays. Always have extra snacks, a favourite toy, or a fun game ready to fill unexpected downtime. Adjust to jet lag gradually. Spend time outdoors once you arrive to help reset everyone's body clock. Remember, these moments are part of the journey too. How you respond to them will shape your family's travel experience. Travelling with kids doesn't have to be stressful. With a little preparation and the right mindset, you can turn your family trips into adventures you'll all treasure. Thanks for tuning in to HasWings Travel. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel advice and inspiration. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.